This simple automation turns my video into 3 social posts, a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, and a newsletter.
Today, I'm going to teach you how to create this simple automation. You give your video's URL to Google Sheet and then connect to an API which scrapes the detail and the text from the video, and then Gemini converts the video's text to 3 different social posts. Let's see how we can create this automation.
First, we need somewhere to read our YouTube URL. We add the Google Sheets module to make.com, we connect it to our account, and look for our file in the spreadsheet ID field. Here, if you search for the name of your file, you can find it. You see, I search Content Repurposer. This is the name of the Google Sheet. I will put my video URL in that. Then I select the sheet name. Here, I select Table Contains Headers, and we put the limit to 1. And then in the next screen, we choose All.
This section is very important. We need a service that can connect to YouTube, can read the captions, and can extract the text from a YouTube video. There are many APIs that can create it for you and can be connected to make.com. I tried too many actors from apify.com, but many of them are paid, and I wanted to create a free automation, and many of them have had problems with scraping the video and the output. So I searched a lot and find a very good API from RapidAPI, and I will put the link and teach you how to connect it to your Google Sheet and how to extract the data from YouTube video using that RapidAPI service.
We need RapidAPI for the API we are going to use to scrape the video scenario. Basic plan is which is free. And here in the setting, be careful to copy the URL that is put here in this field. And for the settings, don't forget to make the video and the ID empty because it might create problems later. Now we need an HTTP request that will read that will connect to RapidAPI and scrape our video. For the URL, we will paste the URL that we got from RapidAPI settings. No authentication type is needed here. Be careful about the URL you copy here. We need a get method. For the first header, we need x-rapidapi-key, and we will paste the key that we copied from the RapidAPI settings. We'll copy it from here. Be careful that you copy it completely. And paste it here. We need just to what query you are going to send to the API. The name is URL, and the value is it's going to read from the Google Sheet that we created before. For the next header, we need to put the RapidAPI host, and we will copy it from the setting of RapidAPI. Be careful here, put it to yes, parse response, and save. The output we get from our RapidAPI needs to be integrated into a readable text. So we choose tools and search text here. You will find text aggregator, which is a tool in make.com. The source is going to be the HTTP module, and the text, it should read all of the text that is generated from that API. So we will choose text from that field. The next one is our brain, which is Google Gemini. As you see, I have connected my API key from Gemini. If you haven't connected, you can get it from Google AI Labs and connect your API here. We choose Gemini 2.5 Flash for our model. Here, we need to put some system instructions for Gemini for formatting of the output. So this is the prompt. I will put it in the description. As you can see, it tells the Gemini how to format the output, how to write, and what is the main task. It's going to get the transcript, which is the text from last module, and convert it to a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, and a newsletter. And these are the critical formatting that I put here, so the output is clean and readable after creating. But it's not the brain. It's not the brain module. It's not the brain activity. For this part, we need to send a message. And what is the prompt we are going to give Gemini here? We add an item in the messages field. The role is going to be user, and parts. The message type, it is text, and we will put the main prompt here. This prompt somehow tells Gemini how to write the LinkedIn post, how to write a Twitter thread, and how to write a newsletter. About the formatting, about the tone. The most important part is here when you want to put the input. You see text here. You have to change it to the text button from the last text aggregator module. As you can see, it says the first one is an H1, which is a LinkedIn post. What to say in it, what's the body of the post, what is the key takeaways, what is the ending of it, and Twitter thread and the newsletter. We save it here. So now for the output, we will need a Google Doc to put all of these outputs in a readable document. You will connect our Google to make.com. I have done it before. If you haven't done, you can use it this field to connect. So what is going to be the name of this file? I will just write social posts, for example, dash, and just for not mixing it, I will put the video URL in the name of the Google Doc that is going to be created. And the content is going to be the result of the last module, which is Google Gemini. And here you have to choose the folder. I chose this folder and saved it. Let's check it. I will just go to my YouTube channel and copy the link of one of my videos, the one that has most views. I just liked it. I copy it and go back to our Google Sheet, put it here in the video URL. This is the one that is connected to make.com. It will read it when I run the scenario. As you can see, it has written, the Google Gemini wrote it, and Google Doc is created. Let's see the Google Doc. As you can see, it has the LinkedIn post, the Twitter thread, and the newsletter, all of them written carefully and following the tones and limitations that we wrote in our modules, and it's somehow completely well written.
So here it is. As you saw, we gave a URL to our Google Sheet. It connected to an API, and then we converted our video to 3 social posts, a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, and a newsletter. You can just somehow refine this scenario and create other types of posts. It depends on the prompt you give to Gemini and the outputs you put in your make.com scenario. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. And if you want to learn more about how to create these automations and how to use AI for better marketing, please watch the AI for Marketing playlist in my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you soon.